Your Excellency, First Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov, dear colleagues, I'm very glad to be here for the 27th session of the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Cooperation. Let me begin by thanking you, Excellency, and the Russian side for your warm welcome and hospitality. Since our last session, our leaders have continued to provide clear direction for our special and privileged strategic partnership. The 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit, which was held in December 2025, reaffirmed our shared commitment to deepening long-term economic cooperation. The India-Russia partnership has consistently demonstrated resilience and adaptability. Even amidst a complex international landscape, our engagement has continued to deepen, reflecting the mutual interest and confidence that define our bilateral partnership. Over the last 5 years, bilateral trade in goods has increased more than fourfold, from about $13 billion in 2021-22 to nearly $60 billion in 2025-26. This demonstrates the immense potential of our partnership, and the rapid expansion of trade has, however, been accompanied by a significant widening of the trade imbalance, which has also increased from $6.6 billion to over $50 billion. Addressing this imbalance is today one of our foremost priorities. Excellency, colleagues, progress on market access, removal of tariff and non-tariff barriers, strengthening payment mechanisms, and stronger business-to-business engagement will be critical for addressing this imbalance and achieving our shared objective of $100 billion in bilateral trade by 2030. We can today also take stock of discussions which have been going on the India-Eurasian Union Economic Union Free Trade Agreement. Excellency, you spoke of our wide-ranging cooperation in many domains, from energy, nuclear, metallurgy, space, railways, fertilizers, to mobility of skills, to connectivity and to payment mechanisms. I do believe today that our discussions will